How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. In an era defined by digital innovation and the boundless possibilities of the internet, affiliate marketing has emerged as a prominent avenue for individuals and businesses alike to generate income online. It represents a dynamic realm where entrepreneurial spirit meets the power of partnerships, where strategic promotion intersects with the pursuit of profitability. So, fasten your seatbelts as we venture into the captivating world of affiliate marketing, where the fusion of strategy and creativity, technology and human connection converges to pave the path to financial success. Welcome to the realm of endless possibilities, where the question is not if you can make money with affiliate marketing, but rather how effectively and efficiently you can do so. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a multifaceted realm where individuals and businesses can forge profitable partnerships. It operates on a straightforward premise. Affiliates promote products or services on behalf of merchants and earn a commission for every sale or action originating from their promotional efforts. However, beneath this simplicity lies a complex network of relationships and strategies. The affiliate relationship. At the core of affiliate marketing lies the affiliate relationship, where individuals or entities serve as intermediaries between consumers and merchants. These affiliates wield various platforms to disseminate marketing messages, such as websites, blogs, social media accounts, email lists, or YouTube channels. The critical facet of succeeding as an affiliate is understanding your audience intimately, which means delving into demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. For instance, imagine you run a blog centered around fitness and nutrition. Your audience, comprised of health-conscious individuals, is likely to be interested in products related to exercise equipment, dietary supplements, or meal planning services. The merchant. Merchants constitute the other pillar of the affiliate marketing structure. These are businesses or organizations offering products or services that are eager to extend their market reach and boost sales. Collaborating with affiliates allows them to tap into the affiliate's established audience and marketing expertise. Effective merchants within the affiliate marketing sphere offer their affiliates top-notch products, competitive commissions, and a suite of marketing materials. Forming robust partnerships with affiliates is pivotal to long-term success. Communication, support, and mutually beneficial agreements are the lifeblood of this collaboration. Imagine a merchant selling organic skincare products. The consumer. At the heart of affiliate marketing lies the consumer, the ultimate end user who seeks solutions, products, or services to meet their needs or desires. Affiliates bridge the gap between these consumers and merchants by crafting content and marketing campaigns tailored to resonate with the target audience. Understanding consumer behavior is paramount. Dive deep into their motivations, desires, pain points, and decision-making processes. By doing so, affiliates can create content that addresses these factors, making it more likely to convert potential buyers into satisfied customers. Imagine you are promoting a line of eco-friendly home cleaning products. Your audience comprises environmentally conscious individuals looking for effective, sustainable alternatives to traditional cleaning supplies. How to get started in affiliate marketing? Having grasped the intricacies of affiliate marketing, let's embark on the journey of becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Choose your niche. Selecting the right niche is the cornerstone of a prosperous affiliate marketing venture. A niche defines the specific segment or industry within which you will concentrate your marketing efforts. It's not a decision to be made lightly, as it profoundly impacts your chances of success. To make an informed choice, consider factors such as market demand, competition, personal interests, and the interests of your target audience. Delving into market demand, you should evaluate whether there is a substantial audience interested in products or services related to your chosen niche. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and market analysis reports can provide insights into the popularity and growth potential of your niche. Quality over quantity. It's often said that in content marketing, quality trumps quantity. Rather than churning out a vast number of low-quality articles or videos, focus on producing fewer pieces that provide real value to your audience. In-depth, well-researched, and comprehensive content tends to rank better in search engines and garner more trust from readers or viewers. Imagine you are running a fitness blog. Instead of creating short, shallow posts about various exercises, delve into a comprehensive guide on a specific topic, such as the Ultimate Guide to High-Intensity Interval Training, HIIT. This detailed guide can include workout plans, diet recommendations, and product reviews for relevant fitness gear, all tied to affiliate links. Disclosure and transparency. Ethical affiliate marketing practices mandate transparency with your audience. It's essential to disclose your affiliate relationships clearly. This transparency builds trust with your audience, as they know you are providing recommendations with their best interests in mind, rather than solely for financial gain. Including clear and conspicuous disclosures within your content is vital. For instance, you can add a disclaimer at the beginning of a blog post, such as, "This post contains affiliate links. If you make a purchase through these links, we may earn a commission." Storytelling. Engage your audience through storytelling. Narratives create a deeper connection between you and your readers or viewers. Share personal experiences, successes, and challenges related to the affiliate products or services you promote. Explain how these offerings have genuinely benefited you or others. Storytelling humanizes your content and makes it relatable. For example, if you're promoting a language learning app, share a personal anecdote about how the app helped you overcome language barriers during your travels. This personal touch can resonate with readers who have similar aspirations. Application and approval. To join an affiliate program, you typically need to apply through the affiliate network or directly on the merchant's website. The application process may involve providing information about your website, traffic sources, promotional methods, and how you intend to promote the merchant's products. Approval criteria vary, but merchants are generally looking for affiliates who can drive quality traffic and conversions. Having a well-established website with high-quality content and a significant following can improve your chances of approval. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. By targeting relevant keywords and providing valuable content, you can attract organic, non-paid traffic to your affiliate content. Research and select keywords related to your niche and the products or services you're promoting. Integrate these keywords naturally into your content, including titles, headings, and throughout the body. Use SEO tools like Moz, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to analyze keyword competition and search volume. For instance, if your niche is outdoor camping gear and you're promoting a particular brand of tents, you might target keywords like best camping tents, durable camping tents, or camping gear reviews. Understanding affiliate marketing's intricate web of relationships, choosing the right niche, and comprehending the needs of your target audience are foundational steps in your journey toward making money with affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing landscape is rich with opportunities, but success hinges on careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a deep understanding of the affiliate, merchant, and consumer dynamics. In the subsequent sections of this comprehensive guide, we will delve into more advanced strategies, techniques, and tools to help you thrive in this ever-evolving field. Stay tuned as we explore the intricacies of content creation, affiliate networks, promotion strategies, and optimization tactics, all designed to propel your affiliate marketing endeavors to new heights of profitability and success. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.